Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission in the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Channel, in today's video guys, we'll be working here on a Lincoln MKX first generation, and we'll show you guys how to remove or how to replace your glove box if it's broken. We'll show you guys how to do that. It's the same as a Ford Edge, guys. As you know, they're built on the same platform, so it's the same procedure for Ford Edge as well. We'll guys show you how to do that. In the meantime, we'll have more than 200 videos on this car and every car we get at the shop, because our mission, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. Please guys, subscribe to the channel in return, like the video and drop a comment below. All the tools and parts that we use will be listed in the description of the video below. So let's start on it now. So the glove box, guys, okay, if your hinge is broken or okay, your lock right here, we'll explain how to do that as well. So how you guys replace it now? Okay, let me explain to you quick. All you're going to need now, guys, okay, will be open your glove box. Now, okay, let's stay like that. Okay, right here now, guys, you have two stops. One on this side, one on this side, on the outside of the glove box. You will need to squeeze the plastic part of the glove box towards inside, okay, towards each other, and pull down at the same time. Okay, check it out now. Okay, like that. You can see this is the stop I'm talking about. Now we have that elastic rope. This is the one that prevents the glove box from going down too fast. How you disconnect that? You lift the glove box up a little bit and you need to slide this thing down until it gets out of the hole. Okay, and pull it out. Okay, you can see it has a wider hole. Once you do that, guys, grab your glove box. Okay, and pull it out. It has three hinges here. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Though sometimes they do break, guys, and that's how you remove it. If you want to replace your lock, okay, the glove box lock, okay, those are the screws right here, guys, and you will be able to remove and rebuild it, okay, if you need to. But most of the people will just replace the whole glove box. So that's how you guys remove it. Installation, okay, let me show you how you do that. Okay, you get it on the bottom, hinges first. Now you need to bring your rope, it's all the way inside. Bring it out, get it through the hole there, and just push it in like that. Okay, I didn't get in on this side. Give me a second. Okay, everything needs to be aligning really good. No, otherwise it's not going to work out. So let me disconnect this so I can show you. On the bottom, you have to put all three hinges in, otherwise it's not going to close good. Now go ahead, install this one here, push it in, you're ready to go. So that's how you guys do it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. Hopefully guys the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.